Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question on the community about creating a linked issue. Now the question is about configuring the screen that appears when you click on the create linked issue. And this is something that the screen that is displayed when you click on the create linked issue is not really different screen. It is not really any other special screen. It is basically the same screen that you use in your create issue operation. Basically, if you go to your project and if you try to click on this link option on top, or basically when you're trying to link an issue and you're trying to also create the same issue at the same time. For example, this issue ANDT-53 is the issue that I want to link to a new issue. Now you can of course select the target project here. And this screen is basically the same screen that you have in your create issue operation in the target project. So basically, you just need to modify this screen, right? And you can see here the only difference is that when you initiated this, when you click on that option, create linked issue, the issue from which this was triggered, the source issue, I guess, will get pre-populated here. So this is something that will, of course, help you, and it is actually quite a good feature in Jira because you can then create a linked issue without knowing the source issue. You can just do it straight away from here. The other question is that while doing this in the screen, there are some fields missing. So usually what happens when you are clicking on this link or any create issue screen, to be honest, you have the option to select as a user. Maybe you want to limit this screen's fields to maybe your favorite fields. So for example, what you can do, you can click on this option called show fields, and maybe you can just have like some fields selected, not each and every field, so that the form is concise and you can do it quickly. So this is something that the user can obviously modify. If someone is complaining that the field is missing from my screen, then it is probably because of this option here. And yeah, that is it. It's basically no different screen. By the way, if you're on Jira Data Center, then using a script now for Jira, you can also create, there is something called as a constrained issue creation. Basically, you can limit what you want to, basically when you click on the create linked issue, you have the project and issue type, which is, you can change it. But maybe if you're doing something like creating a problem from an incident and you want to limit this list, or maybe you just want to hard code it, so you can actually use behaviors. It is actually quite straightforward. I think I have a video on that, and in that case, of course, you can do a bit more customizations. On cloud, things are obviously limited, which is of course annoying, but that is how it is. All right, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about and show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.